Hi, this is Kyla at Radiant Divine. I am going to do bioidentical hormone replacement therapy on our patient today. She is getting pellets. This patient will be getting testosterone and estradiol. They get put in through a small incision in the buttocks. It's very tiny and it closes with a steri-strip. Female pellets last about 3 to 4 months, and they help with brain fog, fatigue, postmenopausal, premenopausal symptoms. They help with sometimes with weight. They also help with anxiety, libido, so many different things to help this patient. So I'm going to start by cleaning the area. Then I'm going to go in with a little tumescent. This is numbing solution and a little bicarb, so there's no burning. So basically with the pellets, it's a very comfortable procedure. All they feel is one poke, which is the numbing of the needle, and then the rest is completely pain-free. Okay, so we're gonna go in and make just a tiny incision here. Okay, and she shouldn't be feeling anything at all. She's nice and numb. And that's it. And she's all done. I just have to close her up with the steri-strip. She'll leave this steri-strip on for 3 days. Cannot go into a pool, hot tub, bath, but showers are okay. Okay, so our patient just finished up. It was a quick procedure, took maybe 5 minutes. It was very comfortable. She didn't feel anything except for the first poke of the numbing. So if you're having any of these symptoms that we talked about earlier, give us a call. We also do hormone replacement therapy for men. They get for testosterone. It starts with a lab draw and we go from there.